Welcome to Pragati Little Genius Play School's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to test our skills with a fun math fluency quiz, double-digit addition and subtraction within 100. Number your paper from 1 to 10. For each question, show your work and write the correct answer. You have 10 seconds to solve this answer. Speed up your solving skills. Let's go.
Question 1. What is 56 plus 33? Question 2. What is 76 minus 32? Question 3. What is 27 plus 62? Question 4. What is 54 minus 11? Question 5. What is 33 plus 45? Question 6. What is 88 minus 24? Question 7. What is 26 plus 71? Question 8. What is 99 minus 62? Question 9. What is 13 plus 43? Question 10. What is 77 minus 31?
Let's check your answers. 1 is to 89. 2 44. 3 is to 89. 4 43. 5 is to 78. 6 is to 64. 7 is to 97. 8 37. 9 56. 10 46. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on a journey full of fun, learning, and little genius moments.